Yo. Yo. We're in a trade. Just right into it. Right into the action. We are in a trade. Do not miss this. We're in a trade. We are in a trade. Looking to close half here. What's good, guys? How is everyone doing? Come on. All we need is that low to just get fisted, and then we're out the trade. Half of the trade, sorry. There we go. Half the trade. There we go. We're out half the trade here. We got a little bit more than what we were expecting. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hard break even as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right, let me just figure out what the gain will probably be. So we got out about here, didn't we? 1.2. Okay, so like 0.6, 0.7. Right, that's not bad. 0.6, 0.7. Closed half. Solid break even. Beautiful. The only thing I'm a bit cautious about here is the top lack. There's no top wick on the 30-minute. Plus, GJ has tapped into here. So what we could do here, guys, is catch a complete reversal on GJ, catching this AMD on GJ, which is the opposite of this. But let's see if we can get a full TP hit today. We got one yesterday. If you missed this, we got one yesterday. We got another 0.6, 0.7, right? Oh, sorry, 0.6%. 0.6% here. We're back. We are back. We're totally back. We've been back for a while now. We're back. We never left. We never left. Beautiful. Catch up, guys. So straightforward. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, GJ. Give us what we need. If we get a full TP here, we'll get like, let's just figure it out. If we get a full TP here, we'll probably get something like, we got a 1.2. So we closed half, so we'll be 0.8, 1.8, right? We close half, so we get 0.6. So we get a 1.5, 1.6% gain. I was going to say gold looks good for sells, but it's away. Fucking hell, wow. Whoa. So this is the DXY then. Pushing up. Nice. It has reason to push up as well. Swept this low out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ow, fuck. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see how this plays out, guys. No bottom wick on the 5, so we could flip. Would not mind. But we're out, like we're chilling. We are chilling, right? Beautiful trade. Honestly though, shout out Louis, because Louis was the one who actually suggested this, I think. I just kind of co-signed it, seen it, and was like, I'm gonna also take this shit. Where are we? Louis and Dan, I think it was, wasn't it? This is the private group course chat. So, where is it? There you go. We're going to give Louis a private signals chat. Beautiful work. Hey, Simon. Let's see how we do. As I said, I'm a bit cautious about this because the 30-minute doesn't have a top wick, as you can see. Plus, we're also tapping into a 4-hour fair value gap on GJ. We are melting down, though. Let's see if we follow through with this. DXY. That's what's going on here. Dollar's stronger right now. But I'm happy. I'm happy we could get either a 1.5 or 0.6. Now, there's quite a big difference between those two numbers, to be fair, but let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. To be fair, if we close 75, oh no, we won't get much from that, will we? Because we take another 25% off the original amount. 1.15, quarter of that, 0.3. We would get about 1%, to be fair, from that. Will you take GJ? I might. Depends if I'm still in GU or not. What I'm looking for on GJ right now, this actually looks quite good, to be fair. If we can get an IFG on GJ in the next candle, I'm taking that trade. So all we need would be something like this, right? We could target the highs, stop losses here, do that, or we could do this, target the high from this morning's AMD cycle. Yeah, this is reversing, isn't it? I'm happy we took half here. We let the runners run, do their thing, right? Like up the stream, by the way, guys. Like up the stream if you haven't already. Are you on this trade on GU? Yes, we are. We took this in the private stream, in the private Discord. Easy W. So right now we're in GU. We're looking at a GJ trade. EU obviously off the cards. USD Swiss franc off the cards. USD JPY. All the USD pairs are off the cards. We could have a Bitcoin trade though, but that's also, to be fair, if we get a nice little manipulation. I mean, yeah, if we close outside, if we had a nice little, IFEG scenario, would not mind that. We could do something, whoa. Something like this, maybe. Bit of a low R though. Gold's just fell off. So realistically, we got GU that we're in a trade on. We got GJ that we're in a trade. Oh, we're looking at a trade, sorry. And that's pretty much it. We could look at GC. Nothing there. USDC. To be fair, IFEG, but took the high, so needs to retrace anyway. So GU and GJ are our best bets at the moment. We've got an alert set on GJ right here. So if we do end up, forming an IFEG, doing a little dance there, we can get in on that. We're out profits. We got profits on this trade. If you want the link to this stream journal, by the way, it's in the description. I think we're at 80 trades now. So we're climbing up quite quickly here. 80 trades. 80 trades, 81% win rate. Since we started this, we've made 33%. We had a slow month in March though. We had a really slow month in March. These were the March trades. Pretty slow month leading up to the end of that. And then this is April so far. In April, we're up 2.8% already so far this month. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Yeah, that makes sense. Nothing else with that though. It's just respected that. Let's see how this goes. So we're lining up for a nice little GJ trade here. Seeing what GU does. It looks like it's run out of steam. This is why trade management is so important. Let's focus on GJ now. We got a let's set a break even on GU. We took our profits, so we'll see how it goes. We have a 15-minute bearish fair buy gap on GU. To be fair, we do as well. That actually gives us a nice little bit of structure there, to be fair. Because if we inverse this, we can just close the trade. So what we could do even is simply just wait for price. Like if prices inverses this, we can still walk away with like, I don't know, like another 0.2%, something like that maybe. Good morning, Ronald. That's actually a shot there, Elizabeth. Thanks for that. We're in the best. We are literally in the best case scenario right now. Worst case, we walk away with 0.6. Average case, we walk away with like 0.8. Best case, we walk away with 1.5. It is literally a win all around. I think it's probably going to be mid to worst case though. Just because on how GJ and the DXY are behaving, right? Like up the stream, guys. We're off to a brilliant start in April. This is like the second week of it. We took 2 days off, Monday, Tuesday. And we're up like 4%. 3%, 4%, something like that. Beautiful work. Percent up with Trump opening his mouth 24/7. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Trump's a fucking, oh my days. He's like a fucking 5-year-old, isn't he? He's like a little kid. Just does not shut up. Gonna have to go fill him in. Oh shit, he's heard that. Now he's pushing GU up. We'll get Alreet on him. Has anyone heard about Alreet? Or is that just me? Heavy in the TikTok brain rot. Why did the economy have to be so fucked as soon as I take trading seriously? Yeah, man, it's rough. But I think, honestly, I think that's a good thing. I felt the same way when I first started, because it was like we were just going down, like, and up. We were just doing everything. Like, it was like inflation was getting higher for the first time. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Bet the guy who missed his shot during the election regretting it now. Fuck it. Right, but what I was saying, Louis, was yeah, literally. Let's get Alreet to fucking lever him. Has no one heard of Alreet? Let me try to find Alreet.
No, it's Friday night. So I've got the Dark Man trial, Dark Man brick. The whole game is about.
This guy's so funny. Alreet. It's if you go on TikTok, it says you got Mitchell Sercombe. This guy. He's been milking it recently. He summoned him. He does this stuff. He does gags. He's class, you know. He what is it? He summoned them. Like the dark matter, like dark matter bricklaying. Oh, where is it? Like, he's full dark matter. Dark matter bricklayer. Where is it?
Alan Reed's origin story.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alan Reed's origin story. What is it? Well, let me tell you, because I've seen some bullshit stories. Yeah.
Fucking hell.
He fell to Earth in a dark matter comet, exploded out, and started.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is this is Alreet's origin.
Alan Reed's origin story. What is it? Well, let me tell you, because I've seen some bullshit stories. Yeah. One of them being he fell to Earth in a dark matter comet, exploded out, and started cheating everyone's missus. Yeah, no, it's not true. The real story is, yeah.
Came to Earth in a dark matter comet Started cheating everyone's misses. Oh, he's class him, Mitchell. He does Gegs, which is like a Guinness and an egg. Downs it. Like a Gonster. He did a Gonster, but then it just turned into a Geg. And now he did Geg. And he did a beanie peasy Geg.
Yeah,
the other week.
It's a fucking St. Patrick's Day special. So late. All year drinking Guinness and I'm fucking late. Beanie peasy Geg. Now I'm making up for it here, yeah? I'm going to split the golden Bennett.
So it's Guinness, eggs, beans and peas, and he downs the whole thing. Oh, he's classing. GJ low-key needs to inverse in this candle, or we've got to wait for the 30-minute. That's facts. That is facts. Annoyingly. Geo looks like we're going to be out soon. Curtis, you get tuck break even there. Yeah, that's what I said on the stream, on the private stream. We got in here on the technical, right? The reason being, I thought you got in as well. I thought you guys got in on the technical as well, to be fair. But it was this, right? So we came up and respected this. So when we closed below it, here, where I got in, I guess I might have actually been took break even here. Nah, I'm still in. Yeah. But we respected this, so I got in. I was quite happy with that. We're still in this. To be fair, as well, you know, not Lauren, sorry, Elizabeth. If we close above here, as Elizabeth said, we could take that trade. Get out the trade, sorry. If we close above here in the next 6 minutes, we'll get out the trade. But the 15 has no bottom wick, so I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback from this. Like you see, this 5 had no bottom wick, no top wick, sorry. Pushed up and did that. This one and this one, no bottom wick. I'm expecting a bit of a pullback here, but we'll see how it goes. Because it's kind of like tit for tat. You know, we can get one but not the other. Like, it will literally be impossible for us to get a full TP on GU and a great entry on GJ. We'll either get a good entry on GJ or a full TP on GU. And because I'm already in GU and I'm break even, I'd rather get a full TP on this. Less risk, to be honest. It's like no one knows who Mitchell is then, or I'll read. Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. Let's get to 35 likes. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway for a funded account when we hit 10k members in the fast track trading community. Right now, we are on 9,988. We're like 12 members away. If you're not in the free Discord, join it. Is this going to focus? No, it's not. We're 12 members away from 10k on the Discord. So when we do that, we'll be giving away a funded account. Hey Josh, can you give me tips to spot liquidity, important ones? I kind of leave few liquidities and took L's as I just missed one liquidity and got liquidated. Liquidated. Okay. Basically, every single liquidity is important, but it depends on the time frame you're trading. Like you see this low here that we've marked out isn't one on the 30. It's a fair value gap as well, but it is a low on the 5. It's like every single one's important almost. Looks like I'm probably going to get tuck break even here. So when you're spotting important ones, it's just the higher time frame, the more important it is. Like this for Liga here, this 15-minute one that we've respected again. Important because it's on the 15. You know, like a 1 minute low here. We took this, continued straight down. On the 5, we took this, and just pushed straight back up. So just the higher time frame, the more important liquidity. But I'll have to explain it properly. So just give me 5 minutes. Let me let's get this trade sorted first. Where can you find the link to the Discord? It should be in the description, I think. Should be in the description. Oh shit, it's not. Oh wait, no it is. If you go down, there's link to next live lecture, link to crash course, and there's join my free Discord community of over 9,000 traders. You click that, that'll take you to it. Right, is this me out? There we are, I'm out. Right, so we got 0.6 from that. It's a good little call to close half here, wasn't it? As you can see. Copy link. There we go. Another W in the books. Now we move on to GJ and just wait for something on here. But to be fair, this 15's got to close like this, or we've got to wait for them a 30-minute close. Which is a bit of a piss take, if I'm honest with you. I think I broke this chair, man. It should not be going this far back, should it, really? Can I show you this? Oh, shit. It should not be going... Like, look. This is how it's supposed to be. It should not be going this far back. I was sat on it, and I was like, why the fuck is this moving back? And then I realised, like, oh shit, it's actually broke. Might as well just have a fucking bed. Right? Fucked it, man. Chair's looking a little bearish. Will you take the GJ if it hit later when you are not live? Yes. Exactly how we did with gold. By the way, guys, this is why it's important to be in the Discord, because we took a trade on gold yesterday. I told you at the end of yesterday's stream, literally, right? We can even pull it up. I'm accumulating in the chair. If you're
This is an insane website for Amazon.
Remember to watch the whole ad, guys. Where are we? Tons of updates to the course. So we're going to call it a day here. We big buy. have to do is join the free Discord. But if you want to know how to actually take trades like this on a daily basis, because we might have had a small loss here, but realistically it was more break even than anything. It was right next to our entry. We haven't really had a proper loss in 12 trades now, is it? You know what I'm saying? In the past 12 trades, we've made... You screw off the top, scrape it off. This trade with us and manage this... Yeah. For real, though. This is the trade I was showing you. Right, look. See? We got in here when price did a very volatile retracement. To be fair, we were going to get in here, but I missed it. And I was like, shit, price is pushing up. Let's get in now. So we actually got a little bit of a better entry because we were a bit delayed there, but I did say. So what we're going to do is, we're going to call it a day here. We're going to leave it here, alright? We're going to call it a day here. If you want to catch this trade with us and manage this trade with us, all you have to do is join the free Discord. But if you want to know how to actually take trades like this on a daily basis, because we might have had a small loss here. See. But realistically, told you to take this trade, man. And it played out to a T. Then we call this one as well. Back-to-back dubs. We haven't lost a trade in how long now? 13 trades. 14 trades, technically. Beautiful. 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 We got wicked out here. EU, USD, Swiss, Bitcoin, AR, maybe. The risk to reward ratio is very low. Gold, fucking hell. Oh my days. What the fuck has happened? I intend to remain focused on inflation. Do not take much solace from the theory that tariffs may have only a temporary effect on inflation. The growing supply of US Treasury debt, along with potentially shrinking demand, is a recipe for higher interest rates in the longer term. Relative to earlier in the year, there is a marked increase in risk of higher inflation, lower employment, and growth. Fuck. That explains that then. Fucking hell. And this is in like what? 5 minutes? Jeez. I like this setup though. I do like this setup. The only issue is this 30-minute though. What news do we have tonight? We don't really have much tonight, I don't think, do we? No. Okay, so we are good to trade for the rest of the night. Like, we can hold it. We can hold it. was shorted gold. Yeah, that's why I don't rush into it. Like, I think, Elizabeth, you were saying something about this, weren't you? On this 5-minute candle here, but we just flew straight down. That's why you don't take an IFEG entry when we've already took liquidity, because we don't necessarily have to continue down. But if this was like a bit closer up here, this would have been a nicer entry, but does not seem... It could have possibly been because that bottom candle was so low. Unless Trump speaks and spoils it. True. Look, yeah. I know no one knows who this fucking guy is, right? This is so funny. Let me show you this.
I'll read. Well, I've unlocked dark matter, fucking everything. My looks like a fucking grape, but I'm looking irate. 1 trillion bricks laid. Am I really maxed out like that?
1 trillion bricks laid. Fucking hell. It's so funny though. I'll eat. It's Alan Reed. His name's Alan Reed. The dark matter bricklayer. 1 trillion bricks laid. Oh man, people are going to start leaving the live stream if I keep going on about them.
I'll read.
For fuck's sake, man. Right, locking back in. We're locking back in. Locking back in. We need next 20 minutes. We're going to see how this candle closes, right? If we inverse this in the next 20 minutes, we're going to end the stream. If we inverse it, we're taking the trade. If we don't, we're going to wait later. All right. Oh. Tell you what, whilst we wait, let's have a little go at a game that I like to call Geoguessr. Right. This has got to be like Wales or some shit. Imagine just chilling in Wales and seeing a van like this, just fucking driving through it, right? This has got to be like Welsh. Countryside. You know, like this kind of area, right? Like here. Somewhere like, defo not like down this side. Let's put the wick, put it here, right? Nah. What? How the fuck is that in Croatia? Oh, fuck it. Looks like we're pushing down anyway. Looks like we're pushing down anyway. Pushing down here. Anyone seeing anything? Anyone seeing any trades on anything? Yeah, there is a fair value up down here. Five minutes, small accumulation, another AMD down. What are we going to do, Josh? That's a good shout. That is a good shout. The bias is defo bearish. I mean bullish, sorry. So we got a cheeky little IFG here. We could take that trade. EU's accumulating towards a daily high. Could show something in the next 30 minutes. Let's see how this goes. This could be the move, guys. Like up the stream. If you haven't already, like up the stream. Already invalidating it. Could even just go for a cheeky little, what would this be? Just back up to this. To be fair, you know, that couldn't be bad. It's a pretty low R, but gold's pumping up. Right, so this is defo the move here, guys. This is what we're going to look for now. Shout out Maiden for the call on that. Gold's pumping. Not much from that, though. All right. I think it'll be this. I think this would be the move. We look for this and just take half here, right? And that's if we can even validate this for leg up, because this is going to be tiny now, isn't it? But if this candle can close bullish, that's a good sign. Like up the stream if you think this is a good setup, guys. Not in the discount of the 1 hour. Yeah, that's true. If it's not, we won't get an entry. That's typically the way it goes. Like, we won't get our entry criteria. If it's not going to continue up. Waiting for gold analysis. Right, that's the 5 minute close there, bearish. Let's see how this 5 minute goes. Close above IFVG. Now we can trade ultimately up to here, or we could just take full profits here, but this is like a 1.1R, which is not really worth it. And that's if we get a close right there. It could be further, like further up. Let's see how this goes. We've got 4 minutes. Honestly, if you drink energy drinks, you should just start getting these. I think they're downstairs. Like these electrolyte drinks, right? Honestly, I've noticed a massive difference. I've got... This is like the formula I've been taking for years, right? CMOS. This one. Lion's Mane. 2 of these, right? Get 2 of these and 2 of these. Ashwagandha. 1 of these. Vitamin D. Magnesium. Right? And if you want, there's if you're in the gym and that, I've got creatine, but I don't really drink that. At night, I got this as well, because I struggle to stop working. Right? It's like, it's weird. But honestly, I used to take so many energy drinks. I'm not even affiliated with these guys. I'm not even shouting anyone out specifically. Just fucking electrolyte drinks, right? I used to be addicted. I used to be on them 24/7. You probably see it in the streams as well if you go back to like Feb. I would be on energy drinks all the time, like 5 of them. And what it does is it actually kills your dopamine. So it's actually harder for you to actually work. Like you're like less motivated to work, but you have the energy to work. I must rattle in the morning. I did when I used to, drink like that. But what I started doing was I took these electrolyte drinks, because what they do is they don't necessarily just give you a massive boost of energy as much as caffeine does. It reduces fatigue and some other things as well. Mix it with this Lion's Mane. This is so good for your cognitive function. I swear down, like this Electrolyte drinks, CMOS, and cold showers is literally all you need. I swear down. Like, I've been having cold showers at the end of my shower every single day for years now. Like, maybe 2 days off. I enjoy it. I don't feel normal if I don't have it, right? And then this as well. This gives me so much natural energy. It's so good. So much better. If you're someone who drinks a lot of caffeine, definitely consider like these like electrolyte tablets. They're like fizz. There's like fizzy ones. They're like £4 and you get like 20 drinks or something from it. I can go show you them if you want. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. We want to close like right here. Realistically, we'd want to close right here if we're going to take this trade, and it's just going to be right up to here, and then we're out the trade. You know, we can't really take a trade up here or here. It would literally have to be exactly where it was, like right here. If we start pushing up, we can't take the entry because the risk to reward ratio is way too low. We need a bit of a cool down first. Hey Josh, JPY hit it already. The discount zone, if the 4 hour fair value gap is that, it's already hit the 4 hour fair value gap discount zone. That is a confirmation for buys. That's an addition for buys. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Alright, can't take this. Fortunately, this is invalidated now, unless we have a miracle close down here. Let's see how this plays out. The risk to reward ratio is not worth it. Like, we could get in here, but then we would, like, I was aiming to take profits here, right? Which is 0.35. Why is the TP a 50-minute fair value gap? Because we haven't inversed it. We could just respect it. Plus, as Louis said, or Beb, I think Louis B, as Louis said on here, there's that 1 hour fair value gap that needs to be kind of respected almost as well. So we'll see how it goes, but we can't take this trade now. If price retraces a bit, you could enter. That's true. But I guess if we respect this, we could enter. Without taking these highs. Actually, yeah, be prepared to do that, guys. I might just do that. That's it. If we tap into the bottom half of this and respect it, close respecting it, we could take the entry off of that. What if the 50-minute inverses? If the 50-minute inverses, that makes sense to continue up to here, and that's why I was looking for my take profit to be up here. But then there's that 1 hour fair value gap that I'd want to be a bit careful of. Right. 50 minutes still valid for buys. That's correct. Right. I don't really trade fair value gaps though. Let's see, right? Let's see if we can inverse this first. If we inverse this, if we form one here and inverse that, I'm going to get in the trade. But actually, would the risk to reward ratio even be that good? Because we get in here with stops below here, take profit here. Nah, it's still negative R. It's still a negative R. We're not taking this. I don't think. We have the risk to reward ratio is low though. That's the only thing. Like it's too low. Unless we put stops here. But if we inverse that, it'd be literally a straight move down to here at least. Right, so we'd lose like if we get in here and we inverse it, we would lose like 0.1. That's what we're going to do, okay? That's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to get in if price can just tap down a little bit further, right? There. Now we're in. If we close below, we're going to get out the trade. So be prepared to just get right out of this one because this could go either way very quickly, right? So if we disrespect this fair value gap, we're going to get out the trade. But we're in it right now. Here. That's a technical close. So we wait for the next candle. Let's set our take profit. 1.87490. And our stop loss. 1.86947. Oh wait, wrong one. 187,489 for 90. 186,944. Right. Okay. So we're in now. We're in this. 1.1R, not much. We're going to go break even up here as we take this high out. We're going to go break even here. And then we're going to get, hopefully aim for a full TP. We still have reason to go up. There is a 5-minute fair value gap here though. We haven't took the highs out yet, so we don't really anticipate a retracement as of right now. Once we take this high, we're going to go straight to break even. Hard break even completely, right? Which will be 187,203, so get ready for that. There we go. Hard break even there. We're either going to get tapped break even here, or we're going to get a full TP. Let's journal this. The bias was bullish by 1.12, very low R. Right, retracing a little bit here, I think. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a full TP. If we just get a little boomf, full TP, maybe. No, it's not wrong at all, Curtis. That works. Let's see what this can give us now. Let's see if we can get a nice little push. All I want is a nice little push right up. Just a little, don't know how to physically describe this, just a zoomf, right? A big blue candle, a BBC. We love BBCs. Big blue candles. Come on. So give us a big, fat, juicy one. Please. Certified sniper. For real. Come on. Give us what we need. Give us what we need. It's not even worth taking partials here, I don't think. It's like a 0.6 or 0.5 even. Hmm, 0.8. Here we are. Come on now. Easy now. I'm definitely going to use a hard TP here. Come on. So close. Follow through. Come on. We almost had it there. Almost had it there, guys, didn't we? Get the magnet out. Fair play. That is a shout. Right, guys. Shit, it's the wrong way round. Fuck. Fuck. No. No. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, shit. Look, it's too strong. Fuck's sake. Right. Fuck. It's the wrong way round. Fuck, we opened it the wrong way round, guys. Fuck. We got it back now. We got it back now, though. Now we just make it a bit bigger, and then you'll see it just push right up. But that reason, the fluctuation there, the push down that we're getting right now, the little tiny one, is because it was the wrong way round. Come on. Here we are. Here we go. Here we go. There we are. Yes! Fucking get in. Fucking get in. Beautiful. Beautiful, cunt. Beautiful. Beautiful. W in the chat if you took that, guys. Let's get some W's in the chat, guys. W in the chat. 2 winning trades today on stream. Oh wait, let's start again. Get some W's in the chat here, guys. If you took this trade, like the stream, get some W's in the chat. What a way to go out. 2 winning trades. 2 trades, 2 wins. Get some W's in the chat here, guys. Easy winning trade. 2 for 2. Oh wait, let's start again. 2 winning trades today. All took on stream. W in the chat if you took this trade. Smiley face if you read. Easy work, guys. Easy work. I'm live every single day completely for free, trading just like this. Sniper entry. Easy work, guys. Easy work. What a take profit as well. We're retracing right off of it. Boom. What a TP. What a TP. Boom. See, I can trade anything. I can swing trade, day trade, scalp. I'm literally the best, right? I am literally the best in the world. No doubt about it at all. Look at that for a take profit. Look at that for an entry, right? Look at that for an entry. And then look at that for a take profit. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Nothing else to it, guys. There's nothing, literally nothing else to it. Beautiful. Beautiful. IRL does not get easier than that. If you want to learn how to trade this, you know where to go. But that is me done, guys. I'm out now. I'm literally going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I'm chilling, right? The weather's beautiful. You know? But why did the magnet lose its pull? That's because this right here, this is where I sold all my millions, right? So it pushed the price back down because I got out the trade. I'm sorry about that. Not much I could have done, really. My bank's too big, I guess. Certified sniper, that's for real. Could you show us original stop loss size? Yes, it was down here. It was a pretty low R. It was down here. There's us done, guys. We are done. Like up the stream if you've enjoyed this. 2 trades, 2 wins. We're free for free so far this week, I think. We're free for free this week. I'm going to see you all in tomorrow's stream. Remember, I trade live at the same time every single day, completely for free. So nice to see all you guys here. Like up the stream. I'll see you all tomorrow in tomorrow's free stream. And remember, Discord's almost at 10k. Let me just check we haven't hit that yet. When we hit 10k, we will be doing a giveaway on stream. We've got 10 members to go. So if you haven't joined the free Discord, check out one of the links in the description. You'll see it there if you just try and look for it. I don't know which link. It's like the 5th one or some shit. But that's me done, guys. I'll see you all in tomorrow's stream. I've got nothing else to share right here. Thanks for your time. And that's it from me. Have a great day.